Hello, greetings, and hi, thanks for tuning in. And it's great to have you with us live from the self-service box. The SONAX Extreme Tire and Plastic Cleaner is relatively new on the market. And we already showed it to you in an initial application. That was the video by Sebastian. We already showed it to you in a second video comparing it against my personal favorite, the Dodo Choose New Look. But I already mentioned in the introduction video about the SONAX new products last year that for me personally, it will also be a very important test. So can it do more now? Or does it do something different than the SONAX Multistar, the all-purpose cleaner in concentrated form when it comes to tire cleaning? That's exactly what we're going to look at in this video. So we're starting by preparing the Multistar, 250 milliliter of water. I want to make a 1:5 mixture. So I'm filling this up to 300 ml. I'm adding exactly, I have 50 milliliters of Multistar here. You can dilute the Multistar even more, but for tire cleaning, even a little bit that went wrong is still completely sufficient from the total amount. For tire cleaning, we really need a strong foam mixture because tire cleaners are usually very potent mixtures. So we've got this prepared, and now we can start the comparison. So we have here a dirty winter tire that has quite a bit of grime on it, and especially some browning, that we're now going to try to clean off. I have a cleaning brush for tires from Duel. We're going to start on this side here with the SONAX tire and plastic cleaner. Shake well. Then we spray the whole thing here. I'm spraying the other side with the Multistar as well. So that it has enough time to take effect there as well. Because the same applies to tire cleaning, chemicals need time to work. Then I'll start here on the page where we have the tire and plastic cleaner. We see foams up and gives us proper tans here out of the tire. But it doesn't foam up too much. I actually think that good foaming behavior here, because if it foams up too much, there's always the risk that when using a brush like this, the stuff splatters everywhere. Well, I have a pump sprayer with just water in it. I use it to rinse the tire cleaning brush in between, because otherwise it would skew our results if I went directly over it with the Multistar. So, very good. Now I'm taking some more of the Multistar, or to put it correctly, the Multistar mixture. Yes, it behaves slightly differently, but similarly. Yes, good. Yes, I really have to say it behaves very similarly. It also pulls the dirt off the tire very nicely, or out of the tire. So that works. You can also see quite a bit of dirt. Please wear gloves for such work. I would say let's rinse it off with the pressure washer, and then we'll take a look at the results. Unfortunately, I don't have a way to dry the tires here in the self-service box so that we can visually assess everything, but I would say we test it the way it's traditionally done with tire cleaners. We'll just spray it on again, see if any browning comes back, and then we can assess how much cleaning power has already taken place in the first pass. So we're spraying the plastic tire cleaner, ready to use, from the Extreme series. We spray over there, again with the Multistar. 1 to 5. And now we're going over it with the brush again. I'm also rinsing the brush quickly again, just to make sure here. So I'm adding a bit more of the extreme here, and then we'll just go over it again. And then we see, yes, significantly less brown discoloration of the dirt than in the first pass, but a little bit still comes through, just a tiny bit. Okay, then I'll rinse the brush out again. Very good. I'm adding the Multistar here. And then let's see how it looks over there. Yes, as also, I would say the same picture. Significantly better than the first pass, but there's still a slight brown discoloration. Now what we can do here is the following. You actually like to do that when you compare tire cleaners with each other. Let's do it now. Namely, yes, follows. I'm grabbing another tire cleaner that I have, which I would also call my reference, the Dodo Pneu, which I know cleans really well. And then I spray it on both sides again. I'll quickly go through the brush with the last bits of water that I have left. And then let's see what's happening here now on both sides. Yes, a noticeable brown discoloration. Yeah, take a look. Look how much more the Dodo juice is pulling out now. We're rinsing the brush again. And then we'll do the same on the side where the Multistar was on. And see? Yes, here too, we're pulling out quite a bit from the tire. And with that, I actually have the results that I was kind of expecting. We can now talk about the conclusion. Compared to the SONAX Multistar, I have to say I'm not disappointed. SONAX has really dared to release a properly strong tire cleaner, at least in comparison to the Multistar. I found that, now there were no big differences. Of course, the Multistar is cheaper. That's always the case with concentrates. If you mix it 1 to 5, you'll end up much, much cheaper than with this product here. But that's also clear. Own bottle, ready to use, so pre-mixed, own safety data sheet, own labels, distribution channels, and so on. That's completely normal. That's completely logical. And I don't find the SONAX tire and plastic cleaner to be overpriced either. Expensive, to be honest. There are more expensive ones. For example, the Dodo Juice Pneu. But we have to be clear, the Dodo Juice Pneu, we'll see in the future whether that also applies in terms of other good tire cleaners are even stronger. We've also seen it significantly stronger. It pulls even more of that browning out for us. Now we have to mention one limitation here, which we already discussed in a separate video. It's certainly questionable. Basically, whether this testing method here is the right one. We judge the cleaning performance of these things based on their brown color, which naturally raises the question, is this really just dirt that we're pulling down? Is this just superficial browning from the antioxidants in these tires that migrate to the outside over time? Or are these tire cleaners so aggressive that they pull antioxidants out of the tire, thus taking away something that the rubber actually needs? I had already sent these questions to various tire cleaners. I haven't received an answer to this day. I believe that will remain a mystery forever. Up to this point, I personally have to say I find it. The SONAX tire and plastic cleaner is a good cleaner. It is a custom cleaner, but it is clearly not the strongest cleaner when it comes to tires. However, it is a comparatively safe cleaner, especially when I look at the pH value according to the safety data sheet. That means at the end of the day, this one doesn't necessarily get a recommendation from me, but this is a case where you have to decide for yourself. Do you want a really base really strong cleaner that pulls everything out of the tire or rips it off the tire, then I would really recommend the Dodo juice. Or do you want a relatively safe option? I believe then the SONAX is a good choice. As I said, from my perspective, you could also consider the Multistar at a 1:5 ratio. If you found the video helpful, informative, exciting, and interesting, feel free to give us a thumbs up, support the channel with a free subscription, and tune in for the next video. Hello.